That's everything in place at the moment. Now we have to get it all tied down. We'll align the hammer so we can put a nut with 1 or 2 threads tightened just to hold the base plate, just to hold the top of that plate in place so it doesn't move. First we'll set the hammer starting from the bottom of the movement. Being careful not to press too hard on the plates or you'll bend a pinion. Looks better. Okay, they're both in. Now, one in place. Second wheel. Now we better start getting the levers into place. Well, first up we'll do the escape wheel. Got him. There and there. That and that. Come on. Alright. There, check. That one. Yeah. We got that one. That one. That's got to come into there. That's right. And that's in place. That one's in place. That one. Fly. That one. Right, let's put a nut on one of those posts. Hold it so we can have a look and see what we've got. Now, time train's moving smoothly. There we've got we'll bend those levers later. We just want to make sure that all the wheels are working. Now what we've got to do we have to set. There are 3 things you have to set on an American movement. I'll loosen that off a little bit so we can spin that round. I've removed the fly and the warning wheel so I can get the cam wheel to align properly. First we'll put these pivots back into place again and we'll get that lever Warning wheel back in again. You'll see we've got the count lever deep in one of the cut-off slots. There. We've got the cam lever in one of the slots in the cam. We're now going to put in the warning wheel with this pin here just in front of that lever there. Well, turn that round over the top of that, and then that. Can go to there. Right, now we can put that back together again. Now that those three have lined up. Yeah, I thought the hammer had moved out. Put the hammer back in. Got him. Tighten those nuts down a tiny bit to hold it. And start putting the pivots back in again. Cam wheel. Make sure that the lever is still in the cam. Right. That one. The scope wheel. That's right. That one's done. One's done. Now the levers. Count lever first, and the other one. We're almost there now, getting the last couple in. And the fly. Right, we'll tighten a couple of nuts down. Hold it in place. Give the going side a spin. It's all working. Now there's three things you must have aligned on an American clock if you want it to work properly. Number one is the count lever in one of the deep grooves in the count wheel. You hold that there. Then you go over to the cam wheel, which we can see there. That's the cam wheel. That one there. That lever must fall in to that cam on the cam wheel. And number three, the warning pin there on the warning wheel must just touch on this side, not the other side, this side of that lever there. If they're not aligned, you take the nut off, open the plates up, move the warning wheel round a tooth at a time until they all line up.